Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video, we will be checking out the Tarmac Works Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR KPGC10 colored in black. And as you can see right here, let's start from the top. It says Tarmac Works Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR KPGC10, and as you can see, there is the gorgeous looking car colored in black now, which is quite a hyped model and has been awaited from many diecast collectors from the Tarmac Works community for a while now, as we've been wanting a black KPGC10, or also known as the Hakosuka, for quite some time now. And let's talk about the box first here. For the top half, we have this sort of like orange design with some dots. Are these dots? Yeah, they are dots. So they kind of remind me of some comic style of, I don't know, a packaging. And the bottom half, you just have your regular cream sort of color. And yeah, pretty cool. You do have the side illustration for the Hakosuka, or 2000 GTR as they say. So global 64 right here, basically that's it. And moving to the back, Tarmac Works, Tarmac for good, and yeah, basically that's all. Moving down to the bottom of the box, Tarmac Works, small size big heart, Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR KPGC10 black. And yeah, it's apart from the Watanabe series as well. I believe it is a licensed product. Yeah, there it is, Nissan official licensed product, and there is the barcode if you need it, and made in China. And before that, just if you're wondering where did I get this, you can go get your hands on this car basically from the Tarmac Works website, or the Two Monster Shop website, or sorry, not website, but their Shopee page or their TikTok shop, which the links will be down in the description down below. And I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and check out this beast of a JDM colored in this stunning metallic black. So here it is, the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR KPGC10, or also known as the Hakosuka, colored in metallic black. And as you can see, it just looks amazing in this color. If you ask me personally, we have been waiting for this color for such a long time, and Tarmac has finally delivered what we have been waiting for, which is the Hakosuka, finally in metallic black. And it just looks crazy good. Like, just look at the details that it has. Fully metallic black paint job with some silvery bits here and there. Rims are also pretty great. They are some nice 6 spokes. Yeah, are they 6 spokes? No, they are 8 spokes. Yeah, colored in sort of like a dark gray sort of color. Not bad. And I was expecting for chrome rims, but never mind. I guess dark gray would do actually. So you do have some, oops, blister fell off. Metallic, you do have some like metallic black paint job all over the car. And you do get the like silver treatment all over the car, like some trims here and there on the frame of the windows basically, and they look great. I mean, it honestly looks quite appealing to me if you ask me. It's very nice. It's just a mini compact JDM model, and I do really like it. And I guess without further ado, let's go take a look at the car itself right here. Yeah, here it is, metallic black Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR KPGC10 Hakosuka in metallic black. Stunning color right here. Very clean, very nice. I do really love it. Check out the rims right here, which are Very nice, very cute, quite a small little set of rims, 8 spokes, which are pretty nice. And I was, like I said, I was expecting it to be like chrome, but sadly it's not, but it's fine. Regular rubber tire thickness, sorry. And yeah, they basically have small wheel arches, as the wheels are quite small for this one, of course. And yeah, basically the car looks so clean, nothing on the side or anything, just the fuel cap right there, I guess. And you do have some slight silver lining, or maybe you can call it a silver frame, sort of liquid matte silver, which is very cool. Moving to the front, you do have these transparent lens headlights, which are pretty detailed, and I do really like it. All 4 headlights are basically transparent and yeah, evenly detailed, which I do really like. You do have this front grille right here for the Hakosuka, which looks nice. You do have some silver linings here and there as well. You do have this front bumper, which is colored in metallic, sorry, not metallic, but chrome silver, which is nice. You do have this extended front splitter here as well, or front bumper, I guess that's how you say it. Oh yeah, before that, I forgot to mention, you do have these side mirrors at the front right here, which are located at the hood, and they are rubber, so do beware. So here is the hood. Yeah, basically nothing much on the hood, basically empty. The roof is also empty, just if you're wondering. So interior wise, yeah, regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, black dashboard, black seats, and overall they look great so far. Here is the side of the car. Yeah, it looks pretty clean, like the other side, like I said just now. Pretty clean and very nice. You do have this small little rear spoiler, which I believe, yeah, it's not really a ducktail or anything, but yeah, it is a rear spoiler, just if you're wondering. And yeah, I do really like it. It's pretty cool and pretty small. You do have the rear lights, which are colored in red as well. So it says Skyline GTR as the license plate. You do have this, like I said, chrome silver rear bumper, colored in chrome silver, which is nice. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you do have a twin exhaust tip at the side right here in silver. And moving down to the base right here, Tarmac Works Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR KPGC10, made in China, 1/64 scale, and metal base and metal body. Today I won't be comparing this blacked out Hakosuka with the red and silver version, as if there will be another color releasing soon, sooner or later, besides this black one, I will get my hands on it, but that will be the time that I will compare this to the other colors, basically. But in this video, it will just be the single Hakosuka KPGC10, all on its own. Even though I do have the red and also silver version with me from the Tokyo de Salon edition, and also the 2 Monster Shop red edition. Basically, I won't be comparing it in this video. Instead, I will be comparing it once Tarmac launches its next color, which is I do really know what the color is already by now, which is actually the Tarmac Works X Lemley group, sort of like a, how do I say it, sort of like a cream color with sort of like a Japanese sort of Hakosuka average design on it, which I believe we have seen it in Hot Wheels before, except for the fact that it has the big massive number on the side that is not included on that car, but still, that will be the time where I will buy this KPGC10 and will not review it together, but comparing it side by side for all 4 of them and seeing which one's the best. But yeah, if you ask me personally, I would say the black one is guaranteed the best. It's just stunning, very nice. I do really recommend it. It's very fascinating, very nice. I do really love the clean look to it. It feels very tamed and very nice, if you ask me, in this stunning clean black color in metallic black. Basically, it's just wow, it's just magnificent. I just don't know what to say. You do better get your hands on it from Two Monster Shop or the Tarmac Works website fast before it end up selling out or anything by then. But yeah, I guess that's all for today's review. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.